Okay, so this is a quick demo for deep space. So in the left, you're going to see that we have an index.js, and this is just a simple Lambda function that says hello world. We want to deploy this using deep space. So we'll go to our terminal, and we're going to run ds for deep space. It's going to ask us for a prompt, and we want to create a Lambda function, and let's provide a public endpoint. This is then going to ask us the entry point for our Lambda, which is in fact index.handler, so the index file and then handler. And once we do that, it's going to start generating resources. You're going to see in the left in the file tree that we're going to see some CDK files pop up, an index.zip, and then also a .deploy file. So the CDK stack files are our response from Bedrock, CDK JSON as well, and then index.zip is just our zipped Lambda function, and deploy is going to be the logs from CDK. So what happened here is we successfully deployed, we generated the resources necessary, it deployed, and then the last thing that Deep Space did was it validated that this endpoint was working. And so it doesn't want me to click this one. This is the same one. Check this out, and we in fact get hello world here. So it'll also check that it's getting a 200, we're getting a good response, and it checks that before it gives the URL back. The last thing I'll talk about here is this data above. This is our response from Bedrock using our RAG model. So these are the citations. So everything in content and text is what Bedrock is using to come up with the CDK stack you see over here. And then you'll also see our response up here as well in text, which is the CDK, the content of the CDK stack file.